grab? No, because we've never done it. Okay. So you'll this is not good. Unfortunately, you can't. Yep, you just want to solve it. Yeah, a lot of stuff we see around us. They're gonna take a part out of the resin printer.
So what's happening is that the part is those little eagles, and everything around it are those support structures.
Look underneath.
So good.
Put this down.